2014 Honda Accord, replacing the air filter, spark plugs, and doing an oil change. Show you what you need and what needs to get done in order to perform this repair. Car has 118,000 miles. Replacing the dirty air filter. That's a 10mm socket with an extension and a ratchet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have your coils. Gotta remove this clip and all 4 clips on the coils. You might need a pick or a screwdriver to pry them out if they're a little hard. Move it to the side. That's a 10mm as well for the coils. Remove the coils. You can inspect the boots if they're torn. Here I'm using a 14mm socket. I didn't have a spark plug socket, so I just used a regular socket with an extension. And this is why I don't like wearing gloves. So I take the spark plugs by hand, no power tools. You don't want to damage the threads on the engine. So here I use a magnet to take out the spark plugs. Drop in all the spark plugs and I added a little bit of anti-seize. Tighten them up by hand. So once you finish tying them by hand, grab your ratchet and you're just gonna tighten them up just a bit, not too much. You should know when they stop. Don't force them too much because you will damage the thread. Then you put your coils back and you clip them to the clip. You gotta hear the snap of the connector for all 4, and then you push them down for the good insert to the spark plug. You put the bolts back in place and you tie them up. Again, this is a 10mm socket with an extension around. Make sure that the harness, the clip, you put it back and make the clip, and you put your cover back, align your bolts with the same socket. hand type. And that's about it. Leave any comments, any suggestions on what kind of services you guys want me to perform.